Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to exploring our new number blocks, which is 201 to 299 part 5, which I call 213 to 15. For the first character we're going to build today is 213. Number block 213 has 200 peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. Don't notice that 213 is the unlucky number. Why? Because 1. He cannot divide it by 13, and 2. You see there's the number 13 enders, but you can't notice that. But you can't notice that it's the number divided by 13. It just only divided by 3. Do you know what is 213 divided by 3? 71. In my fan-made number blocks, 71 I use as the face just like 20, and that's because 71 is the prime number and he's in the 20th member of the prime club. Here are the 100 blocks, so I put it there. Alright, and here are the another 100 blocks. 2 lots of 100s are 200. Well, he has the glasses, a bow tie, a top hat, and the shoe just like 20 in my own fan-made number blocks. I think just only the math skills. I liked the game skill or very popular fan-made skill. I love math skills. Math skills are my favorite to make it more attractive. Well, anyways, 213 also has a crown because to represent the number block 3 in the whole 213. But actually, he also can be split into 3 lots of 71s. I hate being like this. Anyways, I build like that, and he has a crown to represent he split into 3 lots of 71s. But also in the number blocks band retro, I saw that the number 71s always use the Akari bow to play the Akari. He loves Akari, that's why I made 71 as an Akari number block character. Alright, let's attach 2 lots of 100s. Right, we got 200, and there we got 10 white blocks. We just put it on at the top and at the right one there, and then we attach 3 yellow blocks because 210 plus 3 is 213. There's our number block 213. Let's attach the face sticker all together. Right, let's attach the face sticker all together. I put it like this to make everyone see very clearly than the old one. Right, we got yellow eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth, which means if I call it shorter, which means he has yellow features. This is because he's made out of 200 peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. He has 3 yellow blocks, that's why he has yellow features. Here is his glasses. This is to represent the 20th member of the prime club if he splits into 3 lots of 71s. Well, I put the bow tie at here. Oh my gosh, the mouth, I think I should put at the left one. Okay, and here is his crown. This is to represent 3 lots of 71. And here his yellow top hat. We got top hat to represent the number block 20. And don't forget his numbering 213. And here's our number block 213, which is made out of 3 lots of 71s. Alright, let's go to the next character. Our next number block is number block 214. 214 has 200 peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 4 green blocks. We build 214 just like 213, but he has 4 green blocks. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 lots of 10s. Then we build another 100 to make 200 because 2 lots of 100s are 200s. And then we attach it. Wow. And then we attach 10 white blocks at the top and at the corner and at the right one. And then we need 4 green blocks to make 214. Look, it's our number block 214. So cute. Let's attach the face sticker. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. Well, we need 2 green rectangle eyes, 1 green mouth, and 2 green checkered eyebrows. And also he has got a green helmet. This is to represent the 14 enders. He has 14 green blocks in overall 214. And his eyebrows are checkered. But also he can split into 2 lots of 107s. And 107 is also a skateboarder because 107 is the 28th member of the prank club. Well, 28 can split into 214, so I need to put the number block 214 where a skateboard just like 107. In the old version, not the official number block, I think 28 is the skateboarder, so that's why I put the skateboard on the top. And we also got a E equal mc squared times 2. This is the Albert Einstein rule. I see the number blocks band retro write that and it said times 2. We also created the numbering for number block 214. Well, here is our number block 214. Well, we're going to go to the last character, is 215. Last but not least is our number block 215. So we build 215 like this. First we build 200 like peach blocks. Like that. Then we attach it. We attach another 200 and another 100 peach blocks, and I've already attached the 10 white blocks. So you attach it like this, attached together, and then we need to put 5 blue. Oh my god! All right, it's our 5 blue blocks, and then we attach our face stickers. 1, 2. Then here is the helmet. This is because he can split into 5 lots of 43s. And first, I don't know why 43 always wears a helmet. This is because he's the 14th member of the prank club. That's why I see everyone wears 43 as a skateboarder. There. We got number block 215. Don't forget the number link. And there's our number block 215. And this is the end of today's video. Which character do you like the most? 213, 214, or 215? Please leave the comments. So don't forget, make sure to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to see more new videos. So anyways, see you again next time. Bye bye.